Verizon Fios and T-Mobile Home Internet offer different approaches to home internet as of late 2025. Let's compare their speed and reliability. Verizon Fios uses fiber optic technology, providing consistent speeds from 300 megabits to 5 gigabits with 99.9% uptime. T-Mobile Home Internet relies on 5G wireless technology, offering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, but with 98.5% uptime that can vary due to weather or network congestion. It provides wider coverage, particularly in rural areas where fiber isn't available. In comparison, Verizon Fios generally delivers advertised speeds more consistently than T-Mobile Home Internet. Fios excels in reliability for consistent performance, while T-Mobile offers broader accessibility. Verizon Fios uses fiber-to-the-home technology, delivering internet through underground fiber optic cables directly to your premises. This provides symmetrical speeds where upload and download rates are equal, along with very low latency under 10 milliseconds. T-Mobile Home Internet relies on 5G wireless technology, connecting through cellular towers and a home gateway device. This offers flexibility and wider availability, reaching nearly all U.S. households, especially in underserved rural areas. However, T-Mobile's reliability can depend on signal strength and may be affected by network congestion or weather. Fios is limited to areas with wired infrastructure, but offers superior consistency for high bandwidth needs. Consider Fios for consistent performance if it's available in your area. Choose T-Mobile if you prioritize broad coverage and easy setup, particularly in rural locations. Real-world tests show Fios excelling in urban stability, while T-Mobile provides a solid alternative in coverage-challenged regions.